friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a really quick and easy gift basket idea, gift box idea that you can give to a mom, a sister. Be great for Mother's Day, would be great for Valentine's Day, or in my case, a just because gift. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope I give you guys some good tips and give you some inspiration of things that you can add into a gift box. If you have some really cool ideas of things you think I missed in this gift box, make sure you add it in the comments below. I would love to get those ideas so that I can add them into the next gift box I make. And I hope you guys really like this. It's very personalized to the person I'm giving it to, so it might not be exactly what you want to give to the person you're making one for, but it should definitely give you some ideas, and I will try and link everything that I have here down in the description below if you want to find anything you see in this video. So let's get to it.
Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
So first off, this was the thing that I really wanted to put everything in, which is a very nice box. Normally you can find these at Joann's or Michael's, but when I went and looked for boxes such as this, I was really hoping to get a longer one because I have this calendar I want to put it in, and I wanted a longer one, and I had the hardest time finding a box. Normally they're so easy to find, so I don't know what's going on there, but everywhere I looked was out. I did eventually find this one at Target, but as you can see, it's a little square for my calendar, so we're gonna see how that goes. I think I might have to bend my calendar a little bit, which is not ideal, so I'm still wondering how that's gonna play out. We'll have to go and see. But all in all, the first thing you're gonna need is some sort of gift box. I really like these decorative ones because it's easy thing for them to keep and reuse, to use in their home, to put their toiletries in, or just, you know, whatever. You could definitely just get a plain white box, but I just think these are so much fun. And as you can see, there is kind of a color scheme happening even with our gift box here, and that is kind of like oranges, yellows, and greens. I like to have some kind of color pattern that I'm going for when I make a gift box because it just makes everything look more put together when you have it all set up and more cohesive and less kind of messy. So if you want to go ahead and do that, it also helps you as you're searching for things and just wondering, what should I get this person? Having a color palette kind of helps keep you in a good line, and it helps narrow down all the many choices that you might run into. The first thing we're going to try and add in here is some shredded paper. Now you can definitely use tissue paper or something else, but I think that the shredded paper just gives some texture and is visually more appealing than some tissue paper might be. I got this one bag from Target, and as you can see, it doesn't look like much, but it really does go far. And I didn't even use all of mine. We'll use this to kind of stuff in little areas that look empty in the end. So we're going to put that aside. Next, we're going to see if we can try and get this calendar in here somehow. So I am adding a calendar into my gift box, and I did a whole video on this calendar, so make sure you go and watch that because I think it's such a good idea to add into a gift box or just to give on its own to somebody. It is definitely way more than just a calendar, and it's a gift that anybody, I am so serious, anybody would love to get. And it could be for a boy or a girl. It's just the perfect gift to give to somebody. So I am going to be adding this in. I'm going to show you guys a couple because I have it all the way finished, and in the video I was working on it. So let me go ahead and show you guys a quick view of the finished calendar. I did make cards for every single month, filled out all of my days. Her birthday is in November, so I made this one a little bit of a birthday themed. On October, I made this all movie quotes. It really did help having a theme for some of the months. This month was music. As you can see, I made some little music notes there. And that is the finished calendar. So I did have to bend my calendar a little bit, unfortunately, but I got it in there, and I kind of just pulled some of this up around the corners just so you could see it. Next, after that, I found these corgi slippers, and I just couldn't pass them up because how perfect do those go with this gift basket. So we are going to put in our corgi sock slippers. Next up, we have this herbivore beauty kit, and I just wanted to get something a little more spa-like. I also picked this one because of the colors. I thought it would go good in our gift box. Next up is this cup. This cup is so cool. If you are a tea drinker, this is a cup you can make your own tea right in the cup. It has a little strainer for your tea. So you just put your tea right in there, put it in your hot water, and there you go. I thought that was so cute. And then to go with our cup, of course, the color had a big part. I also got this tea, which I picked this kind also because of the color, and it just looked really good. Next up, I bought this chapstick. Again, it had the right colors, and because I felt like my gift basket so far kind of had a spa-like rejuvenating feel between the tea, the beauty roller, the teacup, the comfy socks, I just felt like this hydration chapstick would fit in perfectly. So we got that. Next up is this necklace from Brian Anthony's. If you've never gone onto their website, you are going to be hooked. There's so many things. I seriously wanted to buy so many things on their website. They're very, very cute. Everything has these different little sayings that go perfectly with the necklace you're picking. The gift I'm giving to this person, she loves the outdoors, she loves the beach. So I thought this was the perfect gift. As you can see, the little saying is super cute. They have so many good ones. I will link this below. There's ones for anybody in your life. And this is probably the thing I spent the most money on overall. Also, I should add in my calendar, in some of those monthly cards, I did have some gift cards in there for her. And then, of course, to top it off, we're gonna add some of these caramel candies. Again, they were just the right color. These candies add the perfect last little touch and really are a great filler, especially if you have a lot of empty space. Put in your paper confetti to top it off, and oh my goodness, so cute. I am telling you guys, any girl would absolutely love to have a gift like this. Perfect for any occasion. So let me know if you guys do a gift box like this, who would you be giving this to? If you had this gift box, who would it be that you'd give it to in your life? I would love to know. Make sure you put that in the comments below. Give this video a like if it was helpful to you in any way. And again, we have that calendar in this gift box. This is a gift that is going to give all year long. It is the perfect gift. So I hope you guys try it. I hope it inspired you to make one. Love you guys. Hugs. Bye. See you in the next one.